And this is Mr. Mole, a big Mr. Mole.
You're the best child ever. You're my best friend.
I'm not just your friend, I'm
Nope.
your child.
That's right. I don't think she'd know what to say off the bat, you know, that I was a heroin addict. But she definitely knows what goes along with it.
Oh, I knew that she was just doing drugs in the back porch and she was getting all smoky.
Hiding it behind closed doors. And then it just kind of progressed to where I wouldn't want to wait till I got home. We'd be in the car and I'd be telling myself that putting a blanket over her as she's in her car seat or something, she wouldn't see it. And then it just kind of got out of, there was no hiding it at all, to where I'd just, you know, honestly smoke it right next to her.
I wasn't happy.
I was not mentally present. My body was there, but I wasn't.
Because it was something that made them sick.
There were times when I wasn't able to function because I was so physically ill.
I would help her by using my things that I had.
She'd bring me, you know, the juice out of the fridge, or, you know, she'd do cute little things like take her doctor's playset and be pretending to give me feel better shots, you know.
I had a stethoscope to check your heartbeat.
Taking care of herself somewhat, you know, grabbing cereal out, just, yeah.
I've had him since I was 3 or 4 years old. I named him Buddy because he's like a buddy to me.
I feel closer to her because she's watched me go through all of this.
Oh, buddy.
From beginning to end, really. I guess it's not the end, but...
I always say never give up.
What happens when you give up?
You'll never accomplish it.
Mm-hmm.
But if you don't give up, then you'll accomplish it.
That's right.